Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, what will I speak about? First thing first, look at this hairdo. Very nice, very pretty. Got this tutorial from Instagram somewhere, and I tried it, and it's really looking pretty. So what you basically do is take two portions of two ponies, and then you get a scarf and braid each of them separately and secure with the rubber bands, and then you take it like this. So it's been the whole day, it has been like this. It's so good. The next thing that I wanted to speak about that somebody asked me in the previous video about one thing, which was my experience with the Sudarshan Kriya Art of Living. So I just want to say that anything that you do in life, if you do it regularly, it yields you results. It's not that you'll do it once and then you see like अच्छा इतना ही था ऐसा तो फिर नहीं पता चलेगा कुछ भी. So initially when I tried it 3 years ago, I had the pretty much same response to it. Then they have the team and everything, so they would want you to volunteer for them. So that is up to you how much time you have in your lifetime, in your life, or if it is coming out from within, you'd want to devote it. Any which ways, some of us are inclined towards doing well for others any which ways, but I do not like being labeled, and I'm sure most of the people on spiritual path do not like being labeled. That's why on the first place they want to explore it, because हम लोग मुक्त हैं और हम लोग मुक्ति की को ही समझने की उसमें जाते हैं. So yes, that's that. That when you start doing the volunteering work, your sadhana gets left behind, and you are doing other things more. A lot of people who crave appreciation, who are into people pleasing, they'll get caught into the trap of this forever if they don't stop and sit back and do their sadhana, which is the kriya, which are the methods that you can learn from any of the mediums. Like I have tried personally Brahma Kumaris, Raj Yoga. I have tried Sudarshan Kriya, and I have also tried a few techniques of NLP here and there. But Sudarshan Kriya is bang on my most favorite thing to do, which I have continuously done for almost 2 years. And in between, yes, I took the breaks, but last 3 4 months I was really regular, and it did give me sense of relaxation to my nervous system. See, basically, whatever you're doing, the biggest currency in your life that you want to earn as a human being is your relaxation of your nervous system. When your nervous system is relaxed, you get ideas to work upon in your work, in your business, with your family, with your relationships. But the only thing that's that connects you, that anchors you to a relaxed nervous system. You just need to find one thing in your life. That could be any method. That could be box breathing, that could be dancing, that could be singing, that could be the meditations that these organizations teach. But I think as parents, young parents have a very huge chance to learn how they regulate their nervous system, how they keep their nervous system in a relaxed state, and how then they offer it to their kids. For example, I figured it out that singing really regulates and calms my nervous system. And I was never ever singing for performance whenever or wherever I did really sing. Because whenever I was put out for singing as in schools or in colleges, and if I got into that performative mode, I would be in stress, I would be not so relaxed, and I would mess up. But most of the times when I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it and it is in the flow state, it is coming from within, then I am just doing wonders, not just to myself or the people around. So it becomes like, you become an instrument of God when you are in a relaxed state, and it is possible for anybody. So I think this video is going towards this particular message that yes, you can try different pathways, but never attach or label yourself to one particular method or one particular technique. Just give yourself time, practice, do your sadhana. It could be it could be Surya Namaskars that you were taught in school. It could be the answer often lies in your childhood. It doesn't have to be just one practice that will set you free. It could be singing, it could be dancing, it could be multiple of them. But the thing is that you need to figure time. You need to devote time one on one with yourself, and you have to figure out that what works for you, because the key is a relaxed nervous system. People who take substances, they are also doing the same. They are getting relaxed nervous system in return, and they are able to perform in this world where they usually do not want to perform. But when you are centered in yourself, you really get this thing that I do not want to perform for anybody. That with that there comes such a peace that I cannot tell you. Yeah, people might make their own opinions about you, or you might want to just share a bit of it. Like, there is this beautiful alankar that शिवजी जब गंगा जी को धरती पे आना होता है, तो शिवजी यहाँ धारण करते हैं गंगा जी को, और उसका थोड़ा पार्ट ही इस वर्ल्ड को दिखाते हैं, पूरा नहीं. दिस वाज आल्सो टोल्ड बाय इन a Q&A round, which was very beautiful by Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar ji. He said that show people how much they can handle. Do not show all of you to everybody, because not everyone can handle it, and that can also not be very good for you, as I also experienced it. So it's okay. We are all collectively on a journey, and we are also individually on a journey, and we really need to respect and love each other. And we need to understand there are also phrases, or there are also many ideologies that people have made, that if two people are together and they are not fixing a thing today itself, then it will be bigger the next day. It was true to that particular time and those particular people, but today, what is true for you, you have to figure that out. Do not think of one quote as a uh, you know एक हथियार की तरह मत इस्तेमाल करो. ये कोट अभी मेरी लाइफ में अगर ये यूटिलाइज हो रही है, तो यही परम सत्य है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. As we evolve, everything evolves, and every individual is special. Every individual has all the rights to become an instrument, to become an instrument of the divine. And once we become that, we understand that there is whole lot of opportunities and options for all of us out there. So the key is a relaxed nervous system. I hope this may help you, and I'll see you again in next video. Radhe Sham. Take care. Bye.